see me, eating a peach, sitting on my eagle, chasing a beagle, to the queen on her knee, under a tree, by the sea. She was looking for her Easter egg.
Hi, this line is Mystery. I'm here in Tenerife, beautiful Canary Islands of Spain. I was supposed to do a bike tour, start a bike tour here 3 days ago. I flew from Savannah, Georgia, where I've been for a couple months. When they first built this ship, one of the builders went up to the boss and said, "Hey boss, what should we name this ship?" And the boss said, And I flew to Newark, and from Newark I flew to here to Tenerife. Unfortunately, it's on United Airlines, my least favorite airline now, because they lost my bike. They didn't lose my bike, they just shipped it to Pittsburgh for some reason.
United Airlines, you.
That's where I would be receiving my luggage if they had it, but they don't have it. That should be me putting my bike together, but the airline left mine in Pittsburgh. And they put it on the next flight to Tenerife on a partner airline the next day, and it's been over at the airport just down the road, not too far. But it's not, I can't just go and get it because it's in the control of the shipping agency or something. So I'm on the phone with United every day, and they say, "Oh yeah, it'll be shipped today, or it'll be shipped to your hostel today." And today never comes. I have it air tagged, so I'm just watching the air tag to see when it moves, but it hasn't moved from that spot at the airport. But United's going to pay for a lot they don't know about yet. They're paying for my hostel, which is expensive here in Tenerife. They're going to be paying for my wine opener, all my food. So yeah, I just got to wait and hope my bike shows up one of these days so I can start my trip. I think my bike is here. Well, not good. Tires sticking out. That's perfect. Wonder what fell out of there. I don't know why it's ripped like that. Also, it does not say Pittsburgh on there. It feels like I've done an entire video just of waiting for my bike.
That's right, buddy. You show that turd who's boss.
This is fun, watching this bus. All these cars have to back up because the bus can't get through the windiness. I don't know if they do this all the time or if he just was not supposed to go this way, but this is causing all kinds of problems. And it just started raining and I got to get back down to sea level. I was gonna wild camp somewhere around here, but it's all lava and hills. So, but stupid bus would get out of the way. I can get to a town, find a hostel for the night. It's gonna get dark and I'm hungry. This is Moscow. Look at this view. I'd never heard of this place until today. This is just incredible. There's the sea right down there. Looks like a little sunnier. Wow. Any guesses? The good news is I can't see how much more I have to climb because it's so fogged in. I think I'm gonna be riding in the dark tonight. I hate riding in the dark. I made myself an Americano this morning. I'm just having instant. But they have a mocha pot here. I miss mine so much. It's too big to travel with on a bike, so I left it at home, but this is traditionally, if you go into somebody's house in Spain or Italy or wherever, France, and then they offer you coffee, they often make it in one of those stovetop percolators. But I'm American, and I drink my Americano. I'm already drenched from yesterday, and it just started raining first thing in the morning, so I'm gonna see if I can wait it out here at the bus stop for a little while until it clears up. So here's my bike, and then here's Garachico, pretty little town. I love Europe. Bread delivery, just tied to the door. Pretty much everything on Tenerife is in Spanish, English, and German. There are so many Germans here.
Science.
Science.
Ciencia.
Naturwissenschaften.
There's a tunnel to get out of town, but it says no bikers or pedestrians allowed. So I'm hoping this road in front of me, I can get around. But it looks like I'm able to circle around the town to get around the no bicycles allowed tunnel. So in Europe now, at least in Spain, the bottle cap stays attached to the bottle. It's like got those little things that keep it attached. It's so that the bottle caps get recycled with the bottles. Still waiting out the rain. Just won't stop. I'm taking refuge in this parking garage, which closes in about 5 minutes. Here at this farmer's market thing. I think I think these people are gonna kick me out. So, gotta go find an awning. Sunday morning. Slow going this morning. Gotta climb 1,000 meters from the sea. In much of Europe, everything's closed on Sundays, so these little corner stores are the only places where you can get food, unless you go to a restaurant. This is because they let those Wawas or those buses on these narrow mountain roads and they can't get by, so everybody has to wait and back up and stuff. I don't know why they allow those buses on these roads. You see all the cars winding around. It's gonna be me, your old buddy here. I went up enough of those to get into the park, and now I'm on the way down. I'm in Santa Cruz, largest city in Tenerife. I'm gonna stay here for a night and hop on a ferry sometime tomorrow. This is the port of Santa Cruz here on Tenerife. I'm on board a ferry, the Fred Olsen Express, very Spanish name, to Agayete on the island of Gran Canaria. It takes about 90 minutes, and I'm really looking forward to exploring the rest of the Canaries. So until next time, I'll see you in the world.
Canary. Canario. Canario.
Kanarienvogel!